Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Do you want to temporarily disappear from Facebook and take a break from the online world, even if it's just for a little while? In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of deactivating your Facebook account, giving you the freedom to disconnect and enjoy a short hiatus from the platform. Let's go. Deactivating your Facebook account is a straightforward process. Whether you're using the Facebook app on your mobile device or accessing your account through a web browser, you can quickly find the settings you need to deactivate your profile. On the Facebook mobile app, navigate to the Menu tab. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings and click See More in Account Center. Next, proceed to Personal Details. And then in Account Ownership and Control, you'll find the Deactivation or Deletion option. Select your Facebook profile and choose to deactivate your account. Confirm your decision by entering your account password for quick verification, and select the reason for deactivating your account from the list of choices. Remember, if you decide to return to Facebook, simply sign in with your credentials to reactivate your account. Or you can set a time frame if you want Facebook to automatically reactivate your account for you. You also have the option to continue using Messenger while your profile is inactive. Once deactivated, your profile will be temporarily hidden from public view until you decide to sign back into the platform, but you can still stay connected with your friends through Messenger. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.